The film opens with a cozy cafe interior in the early morning light. Steam rises from coffee cups, honey jars sparkle in the background, and the faint clatter of breakfast preparations can be heard. The camera zooms in on an empty plate, as if anticipating something special. Suddenly, the soft sound of a crane whirring catches attention. A miniature crane enters the scene, slowly lowering the first pancake onto the empty plate. The pancake is fluffy and golden, steaming gently. Tiny construction workers, dressed in high-visibility vests and hard hats, are standing by, ready to get to work. One worker signals the crane operator to lower the pancake precisely in place. The stack begins. A group of workers holding tiny brushes start applying maple syrup across the first pancake, making sure the surface is evenly covered. The syrup glistens in the light as it slowly drips off the edges. Another worker carries a large butter pat, which is carefully placed in the center of the pancake tower by a mini forklift. The butter begins to melt, sending tiny rivulets of golden liquid down the sides. The crane returns, carrying another pancake. The workers communicate with hand signals, ensuring the pancake aligns perfectly on top of the syrup-coated base. One worker stands on a scaffold, measuring the stack to ensure it's level. A third pancake is added, and the team works together, adjusting and securing each layer. The stack grows taller, with more steam rising from the freshly cooked layers. Now that the stack is nearing completion, several workers begin placing blueberries like they're heavy boulders. They roll the berries carefully into position, securing them with ropes. Some workers climb to the top of the stack to position the final blueberries, giving the tower a balanced and appealing look. One worker signals to the syrup crew for one final pour. They stand on the edge of the stack with a tiny bucket of syrup, and with a graceful swoop, they pour it down the side of the tower.